Hey guys, what's good? Jay Johnson here. I'm out here fishing on the Delaware River today with my buddy Riggedy Fisher, who is right there. And before we could even get the camera set up, my man already cooking, y'all. He already cooking with fire, y'all. Like we didn't even get the camera set up yet, y'all, and he done landed one already. We just got to this spot, so it's crazy already, y'all. But y'all gonna see the release. That's how the video gonna start, with a release, and then we gonna get into some fishing. I ain't even set my rods up. I was putting pack bait on one of the rods and he got hit. So let's help him get this fish back in the water and go from there. My boy, how you feel?
Man, my heart's still racing, man. That's still crazy. First fish in like 3 weeks on my new Piscafun reel. Man, the fight was crazy, man. It was fun, man. And I'm waiting to get in there.
Yes, sir. All right, y'all. Let me get some poles in the water. Let's get it set up.
Pause.
I can't say let me get some poles in the water.
No diddy.
No diddy. We're gonna get some poles in the water, no diddy, y'all. And then we're gonna get to some fish, y'all.
A few moments later.
Oh, the other pole going off. The other pole going off. Yo, look, he's already bent over. I thought, you heard that bell, right? My boy cooking today. My boy cooking today. It's a good thing we ain't go to that daggone top of the falls, right? All right, let's get my boy.
Oh, he on.
He on, right? He running too, ain't he? Yeah.
Both poles, baby.
Both poles. My boy cooking. Yo, I don't even have a pole in the water yet.
Yo, and you know what? I think this is the hair rig.
It's the hair rig one, right?
Yeah.
My boy's fighting. Oh, he got running. Yo, we gonna have to come back. I got my wader boots in the car. My boy he got you over there, bro. You see where he ran? It's all flat, like mud and sand over there. Hey, what kind of line you using?
That Beyond Braid.
That Beyond Braid. There you go, right there. He's surfacing, y'all.
Camo Beyond Braid. 50 pounds.
50-pound camo Beyond Braid.
Yep.
Smoking them over here, bro.
Pop up.
Gonna pop up.
Pop up corn hair rig.
I see him coming up to the top.
Little young boy.
Yeah.
He got a lot of strength.
He got a lot of Look at that. This is crazy, bro. All right, let me come over and help him. Help you get him.
He got a lot of strength.
Come on, this side.
The live seeing this?
I can let you.
Yo, I ain't even good chance to go live yet.
You didn't even go live.
Shit.
Yo, bro. What's happening right now, bro? Tell me what's happening right now.
That's crazy.
That's crazy, bro. All right, you gonna get him back in the water? Yeah. Bro, I was about to say I heard another bell.
It's crazy. Well, I'm releasing the other one. Your boy, you know what I mean, caught this jump. Let's get this joint back in the water. Thanks for the fight, man. I hope you find your way better than your boy did. 'Cause he was tripping. Let's let him go. Yeah, he cool. Look at that. Wash your hands off while I'm down here. Thank you, carp guys, for blessing me with 2 so far in the morning.
My boy on again, y'all. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Riggedy Fishing Adventure Show. Huh?
I just threw the white pole out
I
here.
told you this spot is very, very active. We had this conversation. Bro. If you want, you can go over there and fight it on the thing. Yo, y'all see? My boy fighting something. Yo. We don't need that kind of content. We don't need that kind of content, my brother.
He's like right here though.
He right there. Yo, he fight a fish right here, but the fish, The fish don't want to come in. The fish said, nah, not right now. Where you at? I can't get in front of you. So you can bring this one. Wow, that's a big boy. Yeah, that's a, oh my God, Rick.
20?
That's a 30.
Ain't no 30.
Yes, it is. This is a 30, brother.
Yo, we gonna weigh this bad boy, yo. Oh,
Yeah.
he's close to something. I'll tell you that one.
That's a PB.
Oh, this might be a PB.
You're not even he not even understanding he called a PB yet, bro. When I put that in the net, I knew that was a PB. So you tripping. My boy. My boy. Put that hook in there. 30 pounds is over there, right? I'm calling 30. I'm calling 30. Look at, oh, look. It's 28. Damn, it's 28. That is a 28, bro. That's a 28, bro. Ain't that a PB?
That's a PB.
That's a PB. This is what I'm saying.
All right, live.
Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Riggedy, Carp King. What you got to say to the camera today?
Listen, to y'all that's in the chat right here, to y'all that's on YouTube, welcome to my world. I love carp fishing. I've been carp fishing for about a little over 6-7 years now, man.
Your pole getting hit, bro. Your pole getting hit, bro.
I love to hear that bell go jingle, jingle, jingle. Anything cold going on,
Look.
or is that the wind? I've been doing this for a while now, man. I love teaching people how to carp fish, man, because the results is when you see them catch a fish, or when you see them PB out, man, it's enjoyable, man. It's very enjoyable. Your heart get to racing. Just landing the fish. Every time that reel goes off, my heart get to racing. Every time that fish comes to the net, my heart gets to racing. Because you want to land every fish you catch. Even when you lose something sometimes, it still feels good because it's the joy of not knowing. And I got Jay on carp fishing. First time I went out with him, I know he caught him before, but it seemed like now I can't even get him to stop. Did he just do the yeah, all right. Right.
Yeah.
I guess that's it. I got a bunch of them Jones too that I don't use no more. Yeah, I got synchro weights, but they deep in my trunk.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Yo. I got sinker weights, but they deep in my trunk. RFA 78. I'm recording right now. Let me save that. White rod? Oh, white rod going off over here. Yo, it's bent, dog. I think there's a fish on there. Yeah.
Oh, it came
Catfish, you think?
off. Oh, no, wait, is it on? Or is it coming towards me?
He's probably just swimming at you.
It's doing head shakes.
Hold on, let me get my phone up.
Oh, no, it's the little one.
It's a little one? All right, let me get
He was beating it. He was trying to beat it. Calm down, little buddy.
Nah.
What, the carp? I mean, the trout?
My boy on another one. Oh, let me dodge this line there. Trying to get a bell on this rod real quick before I come over here. Get him situated.
Both fish racing, man. Let's let this little guy go, man. He gone. He gone.
click there, and then wait. See what's up with your finger? Yo, there we go.
Are you here, man? Oh, yelling.
Oh,
You finally.
oh. Yeah. Yo. You know what it was?
Crazy takedown. Oh, please still be on, Jay.
I don't know. Yeah, you are. I'm in the tree.
Tree.
I gotta go over. Hold on. Wait for me, my boy. I got it. All right.
Crazy. I'm gonna go get the net.
All right. All right. He's still on it? Yo, turn that camera. He's still on there.
Oh, I'm getting hit on the green one, yo.
Are you?
Yeah.
All right.
Oh, you're gonna have to help him net. You're gonna have to help him net.
How?
Help him net. Oh, that's that you ball, my God.
He over here. That might be you. Yeah, he right here. If you hand me that, I can get that. I got it. Cause I don't know how you gonna get over. I can net him right here. Let me see that. All right. I got him. Yeah, I am on your rod, bro. I reckon there's a line here. All right, so I'm gonna try to get him out so he don't get tangled. Yo, you're all the way in it, bro. Stay in that line. All right, thank you. All right, let me jump back over here like Spider-Man. All right, guys, so finally got a fish on the bank. Carpmaster Riggedy been showing me how to catch them, so we got a nice little comment right here. He gave us a little run today. We fell today, so can't get no better than that. Let's get him back in the water. All right, y'all. Ladies and gentlemen, let's say goodbye to him. All right, buddy. Nice, safe release. He over there somewhere, swimming on the bottom of the rock. Let's go. Let's go.